How to pre-qualify for a credit card on Credit Karma. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the credit card section from the main dashboard or menu. This is where you can explore different credit card offers tailored to your credit profile. Look for the option that says pre-qualify or see if you are pre-qualified on any credit card offer. Clicking this will let Credit Karma check your credit information without affecting your credit score. Fill in any required details and submit your request. Within moments, Credit Karma will show whether you are pre-qualified for that credit card based on your credit history or score. Pre-qualification helps you understand your chances of approval before you apply, so you can avoid unnecessary hard inquiries that might lower your credit score. Repeat this process with other cards to find the best matches for your credit profile and financial needs. Now you know how to pre-qualify for a credit card on Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.